Hey guys, the Raleigh real estate market has been bonkers over the past 18 months. Multiple offers, home selling in just a couple days, and that's why today's tour is so special. We're gonna check out this classic Raleigh split level home just 7 minutes from North Hills. I can't wait for you to see inside. Let's head in. As we head downstairs, we've got another 2-bedroom spaces, full bath, laundry, workshop, and something super special. Welcome to the game room, a fully decked out oasis for the sports fan ready for the big game. And on the upper level of this house, we have 3 full bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a huge living room, dining room, kitchen, and an amazing outdoor space you just have to see. This is an incredible opportunity to slide into this hot market at a great price with a location people go absolutely nuts for. If you'd like to see this home in person, give me, Will Draper of Draper & Co. Realty, a call, text, or email, and we'd be happy to set it up. As always, be great, be kind, and welcome to Raleigh, y'all.